In this video, I'll show you how to connect Porkbun domain to Firebase. So now this is very simple. And the first step you want to do, you want to go to console.firebase.google.com and you want to open your project in Firebase to which you want to connect your Porkbun domain. So open your project and on the left side, you want to choose build and from dropdown, choose hosting. Now from here, those are your default Firebase domains, and to add your Porkbun domain, just click on add custom domain, and here in this field you want to type or paste your Porkbun domain. So I'm going to open my Porkbun and this is my domain, so I'm going to copy it, paste it here, and then you can also redirect this domain to an existing website. So if you check this, you can add your redirect domain name. So let's say it's going to be www, and then you're going to paste your domain, or you can disable it and then click on continue. And now this is the most important part. We need to add those two DNS records in your Porkbun DNS settings. So the first one is, this is a record, this is domain name, and this is the value. So you just want to copy this value and go to Porkbun and hover your mouse on your domain and you will see this small DNS text. So click on it. And from here you can add those two records. But before that, if you look all below here, remove the record below in your DNS provider. So you need to remove your existing record in Porkbun to make it work. So this is my existing old record, so I'm gonna delete it. Also, I'm gonna delete this CNAME record. And then we can start adding the first record. So the first one was A, and this is the value. You can keep this host blank, then paste the value and click add. Now the first record has been added. And the second one is TXT record, and this is the value. So I'm gonna copy the value and choose TXT and paste your value. Then click add, and your second record has been added. And now you need to verify it. So go back to Firebase and click on this verify button. It can take up to 24 hours to verify it. We're just gonna wait. As you can see, it's showing me discovered value is this 216.198, and this is the old value I removed like 2 minutes ago. So it's not refreshed yet. So we just need to wait. So now I'm going to refresh it after a couple of minutes. I'm gonna click on verify again. And as you can see, the first A record has been successfully connected. So it's showing this check mark, and we just need to wait for this TXT record. Now after a couple of minutes, it took like 10 minutes to verify this TXT record. So it has check mark also. Now we need to click on finish. Now we need to wait for this certificate. So it's minting certificate, and this could take also up to 24 hours. So once this is done, your domain is going to be connected successfully. So if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.